Okay.
Hello guys, Yusuf Abraham here. First unboxing video, we're going to do some mechanical lead pencils. I ordered these a few months back. I don't remember what I'm going to expect here, to be honest, but they're called a Nicpro, and there may be some Japanese pencils, I'm not sure, but I'll put the link in the description. Let's unbox them.
Okay. Okay, recording down. Okay, I'm kind of excited for Hey everybody, we're back. Sorry.
Let's start the unpackaging. That's a nice case for some pencils. Real premium leather, brown leather, feels real nice. Something I would love to have as a student for sure.
Ooh.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. So they hold 5 of these pencils here, and there's plenty of lead that they provide. So you have all this. They're not all the same. So this is 2B, this is HB, and you have a 4H here, 4B here, and then you have another. Actually, you have a 2H here. So give you 5 packs of graphite lead here, and I think this is some extra colored lead. Yep. So all these pencils are the same. All of this lead is the same size. They fit in all the pencils, and they all already come with a piece of lead in it here. Pretty cool. It's a little different than an average mechanical pencil. So let's take a closer look. Pretty good quality material. Looks like some strong metal here. Very nice. I really like it. Let's see what else we have in the box. In the case, nice premium leather exterior case with some nice suede inside. Oh, this is the cap for the colored lead here. And we also have this filer. I'm not exactly sure why this was included, but we'll keep it. See what this is here. Let's open this up. It's in this little container here. My sister here is very eager to see what it is. I have no.
What is that?
No freaking clue. Here, let me get my box cutter. Looks like some clay.
What? Like, you can race with it.
You know what? I have no clue what this is. Feels like some sort of clay, sticky clay material. Like a thumbtack, but the sticky version. Nice little eraser here. And you have 2 sharpeners designed specifically. You can't sharpen a metal pencil, so there's a tiny opening over there. You could just put your lead in and nice. That feels real nice. Oh my god.
Wait, let me try it.
This is really cool. I really like this. I really like this. Don't worry, you'll get to try it in a second.
Okay.
So,
what does that say?
okay, this thing feels way too damn good. I could write with this all day. Don't worry, Alyssa, you'll get it soon.
Why do you keep saying that? I really like the colors here.
So, put in the blue lead here. Okay, hold the clicker on top and you could pull lead right out and replace them whenever you want. So let's test out this colored lead. Feels fantastic. I'm pretty sure the artists out there would love this pencil set. Very impressed with my very first unboxing. I would highly suggest this package. So nice. Some of the best feeling pencils, like here, look at how this is some good metal, strong, feels reinforced. They provide you with a whole bunch of lead in a really nice case. For those of you who draw a lot and write a lot, I think this would be a great choice.
I do too.
Alright.
I highly suggest it.
You highly suggest it?
Yes.
Hey, thank you guys for watching. This is the first video here. This is a tech channel, but we'll be posting a lot of videos like this. Anything we find interesting, really. Thank you.
Okay.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. Very first video here. It's gonna be a tech channel, but we'll do a lot of videos like this too. Really anything we find interesting. I consider this pencil pack, honestly, I consider it tech, engineered very well. It's a lot different than the kind of pencils I used in school, but if I could go back, I would definitely choose this, especially as an engineering student who draws a lot, has to do a lot of schematics. This is a great choice. My favorite thing is the package or the case that it comes with. Very nice brown leather and a suede interior. And then my last favorite thing about this is the way you can sharpen this lead. It's like a sharpener that has a very tiny opening, and when you go in to sharpen that lead, it's very satisfying. You'll love it. Deuce. You gotta say something?
No, I don't need to say something, but I'm gonna go to sleep.
Alright,
Bye.
this is your first and your last unboxing, right?
Yes, because I kept laughing
You can't
in the
stop
background.